Hi people, here I am again, one more time. Baghdad. God showed me a sandstorm with a dead man's scroll. And again, God showed me a sandstorm with a dead man's scroll in it. So Baghdad is lost. This is what I saw, but this is also what I told you. So I tell you again, folks. I saw a dead man's scroll in the storm. In the sandstorm. In Baghdad. Happening right now. This storm is happening right now. For me, it's a warning from God. And the people who know God, they will see what I mean. They will see it directly. Because these people understand God. These are His children, so they know. Well, that's all I have to say. Baghdad is lost. It's finished. God told me it's finished. When this is done, folks, you better run. Because then the party will start. This World War party. Are you excited? I'm telling you, folks, how it will go. That's how it will go. Thanks, my Lord, for the sandstorm with the dead man's scroll in it. I saw it, and I will tell the people who got ears and eyes. Thank you, God, my Father, for the message you just gave me on CNN with this sandstorm. I perfectly understand.